In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Hermes Agent, how you can connect it to your Telegram, and basically we're going to implement some automation and workflows using Hermes. First of all, why Hermes? Why we should use it? Basically, Hermes has a self-improve skill, and this means the more you use Hermes, the better it will become. So, the result that you will get after 6 months of using Hermes will be much different with, for example, a fresh Hermes. And this will happen automatically. You can definitely do the same thing with Claude or Codex. You can build some skills, self improvement skills, but they are not as robust as Hermes. And basically, what Hermes does is it brings simplicity. You don't have to do anything, it will get better over time. So if you want reasoning, you can use Claude. For coding, you can use Codex. But if you want to implement some workflows, some automations, 24 hours, Hermes could be the best. Especially if you want to write articles, it could be the best because over time it will check the engagement for each post. It will self improve the skill to make it better and better. You can use Hermes on your local machine, or you can basically set it up on a VPS. Personally, I don't use my local machine for this purpose because, as you remember, when it comes to OpenClaw, they had a security issue, so you could get compromised. My suggestion is to use a VPS or a local machine that you don't have anything important in it. If you set it up on a VPS, it's a 24 hours assistant. You don't have to turn on your computer. It's a separate environment, so you're totally safe. And we're going to even connect it to Telegram. You can connect it to Discord, and it works whenever you want. Let's see how we can basically set up Hermes. Personally, I'm using Hostinger. It's very cheap, very easy to use. If you want, you can use my referral link in the video description, and this way you support my channel. I really appreciate that. Just choose a plan. You can go with KVM1 or KVM2. And after, purchasing your plan, uh, this is your dashboard. This is how it looks like. In here, you can see my VPS. Just click on manage in here from OSN panel. Just search for Hermes. You can see it in here, Hermes Agent. Select this. Let's set a username and password and click on next. Just check this and click on deploy. This actually could take up to 10 minutes. I will back very soon. Everything installed for me. Just click on terminal in the Hermes Agent. It will open the Docker inside your Hostinger VPS. Write Hermes, and we have to set it up for the first time. So just write Y or yes. I want a quick setup. This is recommended. So select the first option. And now we have to go to this portal and connect our account. You can see they have different tiers. Personally, I'm going with a free plan. However, you have to provide your banking details. They want to make sure you're not a bot. However, you wouldn't charge anything. So just select the first option, subscribe. And now if I back to the VPS, it should show me different models. Here we go. You can use Claude, GPT 5.5, different models, but you definitely have to pay for them for the API. If you want a 100% free model, you can go with Step Fund, which is basically Hermes model. Let's select the first one, which Step Fund, which is totally free. We can switch and change this whenever we want, so don't worry about it. Press enter. I want to keep it in Docker, isolated container, press enter. And we can skip this. I would set up messaging later. And now we're ready to go. Just write Hermes and it should open the terminal in the Hermes. You can see how it looks like. Now let's ask Hermes how to set up Telegram, or how to connect Telegram. It will give me an instruction. Here's what we actually have to do. We have to open Bash. Bash is different with Hermes. Right now we're in the Hermes environment. We have to go to Bash and we have to write Hermes Gateway Setup. Let me copy this. Let's back to Hostinger. Click on Terminal again. It will basically open Bash for us. And all we have to do is to paste this in here, Hermes Gateway Setup. In here, you can see different platforms that you can connect Hermes. Personally, I want to go with Telegram. So select Telegram. We need a Telegram bot token. We basically have to use bot fodder to create a bot and paste the token in here. Let me show you how you can do this. In your Telegram, just search for bot fodder, and when you open it, / new bot. First, we have to set a name, for example, Autobees, Hermes. This could be the name, and a bot ID. This ID should be unique and it should end with bot. So let's say Hermes with I, LOL, LOL. There's no space between them, and bot. This is something that no one has taken yet. We have an API in here. Just copy this API back to Hermes. And this is not Hermes, I'm sorry. This is Bash. And paste it in here. We have to specify which users, which Telegram users can have access to this. Back to your Telegram. This time, open user info get ID. This is the bot's name. Just open this and send a message like a start. It will give you your Telegram ID. Just copy this ID back to here and paste the ID. And write Y or yes in here. Now we're good to go. Let's write Hermes again to open Hermes terminal. Now this time we have to write / getaway. This is how we can enable this. As you can see, Telegram enabled. So we have to write this Python CLI in the bash again. We can do it in here. Just copy this. Let's close this again. Back to Hostinger. Terminal, we have to write it in bash. At the beginning to set this up, it's a bit challenging, but after that we can use Telegram. We don't have to deal with Docker or bash. Just paste the code in here, and now it will connect this. Let me back to my Telegram. Actually, we can close this completely. Let's back to Telegram. Let's open the bot that we just created, this bot, and just send a start. Hey there, how are you doing? Just send a message. As you can see, it's typing. It will give a response. Hermes is closed. I'm not in terminal, but I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today? In this way, we can actually prompt Hermes and talk with Hermes. You don't have to open the terminal anymore. Now, if you want to change the model, you can just write / model. You can change it from here. For example, you can use Open Router. With one API, you can gain access to over 100 different models, which is very cool. You can just ask in the chat how to connect it, which is very easy. But let's actually create our first automation. For example, every day at 11:20 a.m., check different websites and find the top most important AI automation updates. Then group them in these categories. You can even connect this to your YouTube with API. or even your X account, which is very cool. Let me see, what time is it right now. Right now it's 11:51. Let's say 11:53. It should send the update, and as soon as the time reach to 11:53, it will send me all the updates. It's typing right now. Let's wait. A cron created, and now it is scheduled for 11:33 a.m. Australian Eastern Time. I'm wait for 2 minutes, and then we're going to see the updates in here. As you can see, it came up with an update for me. It checked Reddit, Medium, and different websites, and it came up with different video ideas for me, which is very cool. Also, Skills Hub is the official website by Hermes team. They share so many useful skills in here. What I really like to do is I want every Saturday review the latest updates on the Hermes skills documents, this website, identify new and updated skills and rank them for me. So in this way we can use them in our project, which is very cool. You can use different prompts, these different automations, and you don't even have to turn on your computer. You can check it on your phone on Telegram, which is very cool. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.